Paint chip repair. Our paint chip repair is a great standalone service by itself. It's also a great addition to any existing technician's business. Now, the average time for a paint chip repair is about 15 to 20 minutes. Average cost anywhere between $75 and $125 for an entire vehicle with tons of paint chips, everything from small minor rock chips on the front of a hood, minor rock chips on a mirror, maybe a small key scratch somewhere on the side of a door. Now, the entire process itself is broken down in our system. We start out with teaching you to locate a vehicle's manufacturer paint code. Once you find that code, we teach you to input it into our system. We teach you how to mix the paint properly, match the color, and we go through our simple 7-step process: cleaning the paint, prepping the paint, applying your paint, paint removal, cleaning the area once you're done, and applying a nice polish or wax to the area. This paint chip system is a perfect addition to any paintless dent repair technician's business. A lot of dings and dents may have minor paints and chips. Well, this is an extra added cost that you can add to the bill. At the end of the day, the more you learn, the more you earn.